What happened to my underwear? They're holy cow! Good morning, guys. Good morning. Let's just get up, guys. It's 8 o'clock already. I got up late. And yeah, of course, the dog heard that noise. Today is, what is today? Monday. Anyway, guys, yesterday was when I get there, it's just like I feel vlogging. Doesn't feel vlogging over there, honestly, because it's just all her kids. They don't like to be like, you know, to be in the camera, or the kids are there. But I did live with my sister. I have followed with my sister-in-law. It was a very quick live on YouTube yesterday because, and also you'd see my mother-in-law over there. Hold on, I'll be right back. Yeah, you would see my mother-in-law in that live. I put her on the spot. And anyway, my mother-in-law is with my sister-in-law. She's not in the old house. She sleep into my sister-in-law's house, and my sister-in-law will bring her to the old house today. My God, you guys ate. Do you like the food, guys? They usually doesn't eat this food, but they like this mignon and bacon flavor. Of course, you like bacon flavor, Roxy. They don't like Alpo, the Alpo brand. So now I have to bring the old food that they don't eat because they have a ton of food in the other house. Don't yow at me, Roxy, ha? I don't like that. I told you no yow to Mama. I'm just mixing pancake right now, guys, because it's just add water. I've been adding water, so I'm just like, because Tommy says so, and then, you know, Tommy, his pancake is add milk and egg. That's what he said, guys. I think milk and egg. Hi guys, I am ready to go. I am going. I don't even do anything. I just brush my teeth, and I was editing the video, and Tommy called me, Han, come here now, it's ready, the trailer is ready, blah blah blah. So, oh my God, I'm still editing. I do the shout out and everything, and they rush me like, and then now it's downloading. I have to wait and then put the laptop back over here that I can re-edit it over, not re-edit, do thumbnails in the other house. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna go heading, and I'm gonna leave my pups again over here. It's gonna be bad, and I hope they won't do anything over here. It's gonna be the whole day. Well, it's already 11:14, so that means half day plus packing plus traveling here. So hopefully we can come back here, you know, few hours. But yeah, so I'm gonna see you on the road, and I will, yeah, hopefully the dog won't do in disaster her again, just like P last night. I have to like, but we have a cleaner, guys, for the floor to like clean, to get rid of the skunk was sinking into the carpet. The carpet, I separate the carpet, put it in the room because I don't want them to keep sniffing and smell it over there. So it's clean already, but I don't want to put it back to the floor because it's still wet under, so I want it dry. So that's what happened. So anyway, hi guys, I am ready. So it's in a rush because we need to do rush. I'm rushing. You know why I'm rushing? Because my dogs are, no one is watching my dog, and I don't want my dog to be feel alone the whole time. So let's see. Okay. Oh my God, leaving my dog. Let me text Tommy. Okay. I'm leaving now, guys. So I will see you guys over there, and you can just go with me with the ride, and that's really it. I'm listening music and concentrate with my driving. But you know, bye bye house. I will see you when I'm back. All that I know is it would be such a relief. Hi guys, I am here, but my goodness, it's crazy. I'm in a hurry, but of course it's traffic. This is a really bad thing. Seems like the traffic is crazy. Holy cow. I'm stuck here, guys. The problem is we're in a hurry and then suddenly the traffic is...
I feel so alive. I've never felt this way before. It must be you and I. It's got me thinking about us more. Now I'm towing my car. Can't stop but think about the way that you move around up and down on that stage. It's your future vibes. Bright lights in the...
Wow, I'm here, guys. Look empty here. So I'm here.
Yeah, we're gonna video you and stuff out.
Well, I hit traffic. 3 traffics.
No, we just want to video you carrying stuff.
You hit trees
for your viewers.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Good luck finding a place to keep your clothes.
What happened to my underwear? They're holy cow, and then you're looking at it. It's embarrassing.
That's right. I just packed it all.
I don't even let Tommy's wash my underwear.
Let's check what say. I told him you can't go anywhere until stuff's taken care of. Got that?
Look at now, you guys, you see her. She's trying to kill me, guys.
Psycho bitch.
Yeah. She tried to poison me. I have a bad diarrhea from last night.
You know, I said to Tommy, I'm like, this text message might be for you. Well, no, he said, oh,
it's really for you, though.
He said it's probably for me. I'm like, okay. You got.
What is that for? Oh,
It's
for the furniture over there. Oh,
It just need glue.
Is this a real wood, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Where's my kid?
I have one.
Hi, baby. I miss you, baby. You miss your sisters? You do?
Alright, we're gonna go in
Okay.
the trailer.
Okay. I go with you?
Yeah, he said he might need
Yeah,
because parking and stuff like
Ron's
that.
gonna be screwy getting.
And I'll start pulling stuff out of the basement for you.
Is that gonna fit the whole... How many furniture we bring? The Isabel's room, no? Why?
As long as you're ready to carry it, because my arm's not.
I don't think we can carry it.
My arm was having problems with this stuff, and this stuff's like Isabel's is junk wood, which means it weighs a lot.
That press stuff is heavier than regular
Press wood
wood.
is
Really?
A lot heavier than real wood.
Why is it a junk is heavy?
Because it's
That's
because they
the way
glue
it
all
is.
the scrap together.
Where's your car, Andrea? I miss my husband, but there's no kiss, nothing.
Why is this seat not going up and down there?
What happened to your knee? Now the arm and the knee.
Yeah, well, the arm is arm. That ain't getting fixed.
Okay, I just really fold in, guys, and then Tommy, let's go. So where is this in the Bronx? Do you have your phone?
Voice command. Canberra.
That's close to us. We're already all the way there.
Here.
Yeah.
In the trance, so I feel like
Hi guys, still don't know where we are. Oh, what? Oh. Okay guys, we survived in Bronx. We survived the traffic in the Bronx. And yeah. I don't have lunch, so I'm going to have lunch, guys. Tammy made some tuna sandwich, which is, I'm not really a big fan of tuna sandwich, but I don't have a choice, I have to eat. So I'm gonna eat this, guys. And Hubs is right here. He doesn't even wanna come to me. And yeah, you good. Look at that, guys. Oh, you don't even wanna come to me. What's wrong with you? Huh? Why do you wanna come to me, nababag?
I'm ready for the kid.
Yeah, we're going, guys. The trailer is in the back over there. You can see it. So it's right there. And somebody's right there, guys. Look at it. Somebody's right there. She's looking at us.
Something wrong there.
Huh? There's a two-line. So weird.
Yeah, but it doesn't know where I am, apparently. I don't know where I am. Okey doke.
There's people coming over there. We're in 95 route, guys, right now, and we went to like the route that it's like how do you call that kind of route? That, huh?
Truck route.
Yeah, truck route that we have to go to a local road, wiggle everywhere because the trailer, and then there is that route that we're supposedly going to. There is tolls, and if you have tolls, and yeah, we have like a tolls thing over here. Easy pass, but not for trailer. For trailer, because so we have to find somewhere that is no tolls. So yeah. Traffic everywhere. We miss our route, guys. Tommy realized it that we missed our route, but exit. He's shaking his.
Then take the first right.
This GPS will kill me. She's so bitchy. Yeah, we missed our exit. And Tommy, 2 miles later, Tommy said, seems like we're still not in 684. It takes forever to go to 684. And then he missed it. There's a big sign, 684. He missed it. But you know what? The thing about Tommy, if that's me driving, if I miss it driving, I'm just gonna keep going and find another.
Wind up at me.
Yeah, I'm just gonna keep driving because I'm afraid. Because I'm afraid to just like go find the right route and go back to where supposedly, you know, exit. I'm afraid to just like move, especially there is a trailer. I'm afraid with that, but probably if just the car, no trailer, I'm good. But if there is a trailer, I can't do that. Traffic 2, guys. There is the traffic number 2, and it's long. I can see from all the way over there. And this is gonna be until we get home at 9 o'clock.
Put your skills where your mouth is.
Guys, my husband, guys, is really annoying. We're just like 2 dogs.
Keep yelling at me on how to drive. Get out and get into the driver's seat and show me how.
Guys, the wife do that for. There is a reason why we do that.
No, there isn't.
No!
Because they're pain in the neck.
The traffic is over there. This guy is kissing her hand. He's kissing his hand. What the heck is he doing? Is he romancing his hand? The driver legit.
He's got itch. He's trying to itch it without. He's only got one hand to itch it.
The guy kissing his hand like what a romance thing. What the frick? You miss your wife? Call your wife. You do it on the phone. Okay, I'll put you right here. Anyway, guys. This is on AAA. No, it's State Farm. Anyway, so my husband is just like, it's traffic and then it's braking people in front of us, and he just keep doing in the GPS like this, like da, 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 da. And then I said stop, and then he said, why don't you just drive? I'm really good.
Then get in the driver's seat.
No, there is a trailer behind us. I can't drive with the trailer.
You could. You're good with it.
Anyway, guys, it's boring.
I don't want to see you back the trailer up. You can't even back the car up.
Huh?
I'm probably good with trailer though.
Hey, please. You hit everything when you got no trailer.
No, I don't ever hit anything.
Oh, bushes.
Oh, last night, some Andrea's car behind me, and then what happened was, I said, somebody's behind me, I can't move. And then of course there is space like that I can wiggle because there's no one in the other side. I said, there's no one in the other side, you can wiggle. Steven says that. And then I said, Steven, I'm a new driver, what do you want? Then he moved Andrea's car because I can't move. I told him I'm a new driver. I said, you can wiggle, there's a space over there, you can do like that. I can't. There is some problem over here. So anyway, guys, I will see you later because it's really crazy traffic over here. There is cops over here.
the accident.
Did you see the accident, guys?
Yeah.
Did you see the accident over Slow down?
No, 3 cars.
Holy cow, did you see that? You told me before that
7
we have to leave the TV for the dog. You mentioned that to me, la la la. So I do it for my kids. They're watching, guys. They're staring over
We're
like
going
this.
out for an hour and a half.
They're lying down in their bed and they're like this outside, Roxy. We're watching the TV.
60-inch TV, 10 hours.
Watch out, Tommy, because there is a car. You know what, Tommy? Fine, whatever. You know what? Play. Go play. We have a trailer. He has like a...
Well, let's see. It's 7 o'clock at night. We're not back at the house yet.
Okay, guys. I am low, but I will see you guys in the house, okay? They're so happy to see us, guys. Hi, Roxy! Come here, Dada's here. Dada's here. Come here. They're looking for Tommy, sliding everywhere. Hi, guys. We don't have dinner yet. It's 8:30 already. And we decided to go pick up something instead of cooking. So that's what we're going to do. And there's no antenna. That's why I can't pick up anything. You guys eat your din.
Puppets, eat your food. Maybe.
Roxy handle like this. You don't hear it? Look at their faces, guys. They're like,
put all the cigarettes on there?
yes, sir. Shut up. Hello, guys. We are here in our shopping center mall. We are in the mall right now. Oh, I'm getting Chinese food. Yeah. We have a really big shopping center in our area, so we're here because we're in the big center. So it smells Chinese over here. Okay, oh, nice door. Hi.
When you're ready.
Okay. Here, look. You have a chicken with broccoli. Yeah. Regular one.
Large one?
Oh yeah, you can large.
And you want lo mein too, right?
Yes, no, not no.
They have the roast one, lo mein.
No, roast pork. Roast pork. Nag-order si Tami ng ng pizza sa kabilang tindahan. Okay. Yun. At ako naman dito sa Chinese. Excuse me. How much is the boneless spare ribs?
Spare rib?
Yeah, spare ribs boneless.
Boneless?
Yeah.
$8.95.
$8.95.
Include checks 967.
I'm sorry.
967.
Sorry.
967.
Sorry.
967.
Sam is ordering something for the dog. Boneless spare ribs for the dog because he felt bad for the dog. So that's why. We just left to get some food and then we're back. The dog go crazy. Tommy got the spare ribs. Spare ribs for the dog and Tommy. Dogs and Tommy, spare ribs, boneless. And then I get the chicken, broccoli. My favorites. So I got this. This is the chicken, and then this is the fried chicken, fried rice, and then this is the boneless thing. Tommy is trying to undo the cellophane. I can tell he get annoyed, guys, because he do like.
It's really annoying.
He ripped the whole bag. But guys, oh, that looks good. That looks so good, guys. Tommy's dinner looks so good. I'm gonna end this vlog, guys, and yes, so thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow. I'm going to eat it, and it's already 10 o'clock, 9:52 in the evening. And I'm gonna end this vlog and I'm going to edit some video right here. Guys, we supposedly be in bed. But look, Tom is playing with his thing. Don't do that to me, Han. He's playing with his thing. We have a nice sparkly starry night. Starry night. I'm already in bed, just lying down, sleeping. But we have a starry night right here. Look at the two dogs, like curious what Tommy's have in his hand. Hi guys, good morning. I don't know if you can hear me, but yeah, good morning. Kagigising ko lang. I just wanna insert shout out. At saka, I'm just sitting down here on the couch right now. This arm right here is hurting me from gardening. And anyway guys, good morning. I'm just gonna insert one shout out because that's what I found. Gugu Mang Mang. Yeah, hi Gugu Mang Mang from Dubai. Is that the real name? Gugu Mang Mang. Pero thank you guys so much for watching. And Gigi Clavio, hi. So, mag-relax muna ako dito guys kasi ito, masakit, sobrang sakit. At saka parang may nervous breakdown pa ako nung yung aso, the dog went out. So, I can, like, right now, I can still nervous. So, I don't know. Han, it's sting in my eyes. It's reflecting in my freaking eyes. Oh, Roxy's sleeping, Han. She's tired of it. Makes her dizzy. Thank you guys so much for watching. And yeah, I will see you again. Oh, there you guys doing it again. So nice. That's nice if the ceiling is just like that, Han. Han. Good night, Han. Night, guys.